Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install RHEL, that is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10 version on VirtualBox. So first go to Red Hat official website, that is redhat.com. Then click on products, then select the, see here newer version is there. So click on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Also see here it is available on these cloud platforms: AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud and Oracle Cloud. Okay, click on try it. Click on start your trial. Then you have to provide the username that you have registered. If you haven't registered, just click on register for Red Hat account. I have already registered. Provide the password of the user that you have registered. Then click on login. Now click on, I have already downloaded. Now click on start the download now. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 709 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel or go through this video description for how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Okay. See here, I will keep this link in the video description. Once you log in, so go to this link. Okay, this is available in the video description. Then you have to log in. After login, see here we have the all the versions from 8.0 to 10.0 latest one. Okay, so now open VirtualBox. Click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving RHEL 10 VMO. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the path. See, this is the folder to store the virtual machine files and folders. But if you want some other locations, select this drop down button and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Select the folder. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to other. Select the downloaded DVD ISO. See, once you selected, type change it to Linux, subtype to Red Hat and version as Red Hat 64-bit. Then select the checkbox that is skip unattended installation. Then go to hardware. See, by default memory selected 2 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, then right click on it, select settings, or just click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. Click on settings. Then go to the system, then select USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the RHEL 10. Let me maximize the screen. Now use the up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install RHEL 10. Hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See, the beginning installation has been grayed out because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or selected or configured. So select the installation destination. I am okay with the default one. Then root account I want to enable, so provide the password for this root account. Confirm the same and allow root SSH login with password. Then click on done. Now user creation. I am giving user full name as after schools, username also same. Add administrator privileges to this user account. Okay, require password to login. Yes. Confirm the same. Then click on done. If you want to select software selections, click on here and see here we have the options like server with UI, server, minimal install, or different options. Okay, and I am going with server with UI. If you want to add this additional softwares like mail server or Windows file server, Okay, you can select these options, it is up to you. Okay, so I'm not going to select, like DNS name server, etc. you can select. So click on done. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. Okay, at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. See, we have successfully installed. Now click on reboot system. Wait a moment, it will take time. Click on username and provide the password that we have set. Hit enter. I don't want. Skip this tour. I will register later. See, we got the RHEL 10. See here, these are the default applications that comes with RHEL 10. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font. Preferences. Then select it, close it. Now verify the version of the Red Hat Enterprise Linux /etc OS-release. See, we have installed Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 10 and its code name is Kaflan. Okay, Q to quit. The first step after connecting to RHEL is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update. This will throw error. Provide the password of sudo account. Now we have to register for subscription manager by using subscription manager. If you don't know exact command, then open Firefox, that is the default browser. Just search for RHEL subscription manager. Then click on this first link. Then run this command, that is subscription. Copy it, paste it, then -- username, then provide the email that you have registered to RHEL. Then -- password. Hit enter. This command with sudo. Hit enter. So I'm giving. See, registration is successful. Okay. Control A. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update. Hit enter. See, this time we haven't received error. Okay. See, it is going to update or upgrade these many packages. Type Y and hit enter. Okay. This will take time. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install RHEL 10 version on VirtualBox. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.